sad because I really thought that this was gonna taste really good. Oh no! Welcome. This is Cooking with Sierra and Chris. Today we are going to make gingerbread cookies, and I haven't made them in years. Chris has also never baked in his life, so wish me luck. But it's gonna be a little twist. We're gonna do the no hands challenge. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cooking gingerbreadmen cookies, and we're gonna have a great time. Ready? Let's get to it. So first I'm gonna forgot to grab the flour. So first we're gonna grab the flour. I need 4 cups of flour. There we go. I'm gonna open it up. Open it up a little bit more so you can scoop it. There you go. You can put it in there. Oh god. Okay, okay. And dump. Okay. Now 1. I need 4 cups. Okay. 2. Those are not full. Filled all the way. Oh god. 3. 4. And do a little extra, a little bit more because you've been missing some. All right, that should be good. Wow, it fills up the whole bowl. Now we can put the flour away. Ah! Stop it. And then I have to move the cups so I can see what I'm doing. Oh my god. Put it down. Okay. I need 1.5 tablespoons of ginger. That's the half, so we can do, that's 1. So get the ginger. Put that down. I'm gonna grab the ginger, not the baking soda, not the cinnamon. Oh god, please don't let it work. Not that. You're so close. Yes. And I'm going to open it and be very careful, and I'm gonna put the thing in there. Carefully, oh, shake it off a little bit. Okay. 1. And then go to the, okay, let's go to the half, so we know for sure. And we're gonna take a little bit, shake it off. All right, now put it in there. And then we're gonna twist up the top again, because we no longer need the ginger. And then we're gonna grab nutmeg, which is on the edge. Carefully grab on the edge. There we go. And we also need 1/2 tablespoon of nutmeg. Good job, half. All right, shake it off some more. Okay, we'll grab some more scoops. And you're just gonna shake it off. Oh, yep, that's it. Good job. Actually need a little bit more. All right, shake it off. Okay. Yeah.
Perfect.
We're gonna twist the top back on. And then we're gonna grab the cinnamon. Nope, the cinnamon. Good job. And we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. My hands are just so clumsy today. That's 1/4. You're really good at it. That's a half. That's a tablespoon. So we're gonna take 2 tablespoons. Scoop it up. Yeah. Shake it off. Okay. Yeah. That's 2 tablespoons. And we can twist the top back on. Are you looking? You can't be looking. The baking soda, which is in the box. Good job. And we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of the baking soda.
What?
The baking soda's open already. That's 1/4. That's a teaspoon. I need a teaspoon. I need 1 teaspoon. Okay, carefully let's do it over the paper. Carefully pour. sorry, Mom. Ah! Dump it. Dump it. Okay. And then we're gonna grab the salt shake. Nope. It's on the other side of the box. And we're just gonna put a little bit in there.
Is he going?
Yep, that's good. Very carefully, we're gonna insert the whisk in the bowl. And we're just gonna whisk. Yep, just like that. Just very slow, steady, and carefully. It's like about to overfill. No, we're gonna put this, we're not that advanced. We're gonna keep the bowl down. And pick it up. I feel like I'm doing the claw. Insert it, and pick it up. And go right where your thumb is. And where your thumb is. Feel where your thumb is. Alright, go and like smush it. Yeah. We're gonna mix it. This looks nothing like the video. It's supposed to be like a light brown. It's just white. Yeah, just keep smashing it in there. I think this is mixed enough. Give it one good mix again. All right, and we can just set that aside. And I'm going to switch.
Okay, I'm gonna add 1.5 sticks of butter. 12 tablespoons. All right. There we go. I'm gonna open it. You gotta tear the seal off. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Yep. Sure. It's good enough. Another one. That's 2.
Is it coming out?
That's 2. Yep. 3. Kinda.
Did it come out?
A little bit. It's 4. Yep. 5.
Oh my god.
6. It's falling out. Another one fell out. Let's just say that's 7.
Is that an 8?
8.
No, we're at 9.
This one's 9 or that one's 9?
We're at 9. Or that's 10? Or 9?
Let's say 9. Okay, that's like the rest of the butter.
Is it 11 and 12?
Yeah. Okay. Stop it. 1 cup of dark sugar. Over there, yeah. I'm so coordinated.
When does this expire?
I can't tell. It either says 2016 or 2018.
God, it's harder than rock!
1 cup.
It's so hard. Listen.
Oh my gosh.
Cup! Where's the cup?
A cup right there where your hand is. But there's something in there. Perfect. Yep, I'm gonna pour a few rocks of this in there. Going smooth. I guess. Well, that's like most of it right there. We're a little bit shy.
God! Hold on, let me see if I have more. Okay, let's do a little bit of dark sugar.
Okay.
And then they sounded like pebbles. And then a little bit of actual not expired since 5 years.
Right under your head. I hope we don't need the cinnamon anytime soon. Kinda. You're almost there. There we go. That should be good.
Like, really?
Maybe. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, now.
Ew!
can't see what's on the paper.
Ew, what is this? What is that?
It's butter.
Oh my god.
Okay. Mix until light brown, medium speed.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
That's right. Yep. That's perfect. The rock sugar is not cooperating.
I wonder why.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. It's sad because I really thought that this was gonna taste really good. Oh no! It's sad because I really thought that this was gonna taste really good. I need you to go get it out of your hand before you touch me with it. And it's everywhere! Hand me the towel, please. I think it's safe to say that my mom's going to hate you. Alright, we're going to insert it first. And then we're going to turn it on. Not all the way to high. It's not supposed to be at high. No more. I'm going to be the arms.
Okay.
I have to add
molasses. This is gonna be fun. Wrong one. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna line it up. I'm gonna keep pouring. And I'm gonna stop. Good. That's one. And two. And we're gonna add one more. A little bit more. There we go. That was perfect.
See how lightly I'm doing everything?
Okay, now we're gonna grab an egg after you find the lid. Where did I put the lid? Oh, the lid? Yeah, there's the lid. Yep, that's on there. Okay, now we're gonna grab the egg over here. Forward. Right there. Perfect. Now I'm gonna crack the egg. I'm gonna mix again. Right here.
Ew!
Okay, we're gonna put it in before we turn it on.
A few moments later.
A little higher up. No.
We're going to lightly grab this mixing bowl and we're just gonna push it to the side. Good job right there. And we're gonna grab the flour. No, like the whole bowl very carefully. Picking it up and placing it right down, right there. We forgot to add the cloves. And the recipe calls for grounded cloves, but the store only had whole cloves, and so oh no! And so we got the whole cloves and crushed them up ourselves. But whenever I grabbed everything out of the cabinet, I actually found exactly what we needed. But we're just gonna use what we crushed up because we crushed it up already. A half a tablespoon, not a fourth. Oh my god, my mom's gonna kill you. Not a half, Grace. A half. Okay. Yes. And we're just gonna put it in the little thing that we made. Yep. And we're dump it. Alright, and we're gonna set it down. And we're gonna grab the whisk. Very carefully, we're gonna insert it. And we're gonna mix it. And we're gonna mix it. Yeah. Mix it in really good. Stay away from the edges for a little bit because it's just getting a little out of hand. Or out of bowl, I should say. Oh my god, that's enough! We're going to take the whisk out. we're gonna pick up the bowl and we're gonna, slow down, buddy, slow down. We're going to mix it into the wet ingredients, but in 2 parts, which means we're only going to pour half, carefully. Okay, that's good. And we're gonna put it down. And we're gonna grab this bowl a little further to us, put it down. We're gonna grab the mixer. Yeah. And insert it first. Turn it on light, slow. Yeah. And then we're going to add the rest of it. Chris! You're so aggravating! We're gonna take a deep breath and we're gonna go a little slower than we just did. We're gonna grab the rest of the dry ingredients. We're gonna very carefully put it in. Just dump it. Yep.
Okay.
And then we're gonna grab the mixer and we're gonna insert, and then turn on. This smells terrible. We should have did a brownie mixer. Okay, hold on. We're having technical difficulties. This is not supposed to happen. I mixed up our mixture a little bit more. It smells like dog food. Maybe we can lay it out and sprinkle a little bit on top. Mm-hmm. You don't know.
No.
And we have to roll it out for 1/4 inch thick. Or did you just smell?
Mm-hmm.
It smells better already, he says. There's flour all over my face. We've rolled it, and now we're gonna put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. I finally have my Christmas lights on, so now it's festive, and now everything is going to be okay. They were in the freezer for a while, and we got them out, and this is what it looks like. How was your first baking experience?
Chaotic.
Look at them. My favorite Christmas songs used to be the Shrek's Christmas soundtrack, and then it was Happy Holidays, everyone. And now, I don't know if you're a Marvel fan or not, Guardian of the Galaxy Christmas special, and he has a song about, he doesn't know what Christmas is. Okay, your turn. And it's so funny. It's talking about Mrs. Claus working the pole, and Santa is a master burglar. I don't know what Christmas is, but Christmas time is here. Earthlings are so weird. Not the gumdrop buttons! My boss told me that cooking with aluminum foil gives you brain.
It gives you a brain?
No. Here are our men. And the recipe says that we have to put them in the freezer again for 15 minutes. So it cooks in the same shape. It's time for the taste test. Are you ready?
Ready.
I think I'll throw up. It just tastes like flour.
Yeah, it's not as bad.
It just tastes like flour.
It just smells really bad.
What do you rate it? Like a 2.
It's like a 1.5.
I mean, I would eat it if these were the only cookies I had. But they're not good. My hair looks crazy. They're like fluffy. Look. If you guys like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Comment comment down below if you think I should remake these. I'm thinking about making them with Lily with no challenges. Thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you next time.